you know, not to be used by amateur, you know, RV techs, is this little crowbar. Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we are in a gentleman's driveway here just outside of Beckley, and his awning is pulling out of the awning rail. The awning fabric is pulling out of the awning rail on the end. He had this repaired at a dealership, probably where he bought the camper, and they probably did okay. He was a little upset because he thought they'd just put a screw in it to hold it in. I explained to him that the screw was there. The screw is there from every time you put an awning on to keep you put screws in the awning rail to keep the fabric from sliding back and forth. So yeah, let's just go up here and see what's going on, and I'll show you how we're gonna fix it. Well, here is the problem. You can see it's just about 4 inches of it. What happens is, you know, it's just a lot of pressure right here, and it'll spread this awning rail. It actually looks like they might have spread it a little bit to put the fabric back in there, because, you know, it's designed to slide in and out. It's not designed to come in and out that way. And they probably, looks to me like they might have just forgot to close the rail back up. So yeah, we're gonna see. I may not have to spread it any. It's pretty spread. So yeah. Now, to do this job, you gotta have some highly technical tools and equipment to do this job. Let me go get my highly technical tools, show you what we're going to use. Okay, here's some of my highly technical tools. We let the awning out a little bit. I put these Velcro straps on here to just take some of the pressure off the awning. Okay, we just have to hold this arm, you know, in a little bit. And then if we have to spread the rail, we got this, you know, not to be used by amateur, you know, RV techs, is this little crowbar. And then we have a stick to push the awning back in the rail. And you can probably find these on your Snap-on truck. And then we have a dead blow hammer. Definitely, you know, don't get the hammer out unless you're a professional. Okay, so let's see how hard this is going to be to put back in there. Let me see if I can get y'all set up. I think I can get y'all set up where you can see something. Okay, I think y'all can see. I'm just going to see how hard it is to get back in there. Heck, I might be able to do it with my fingers. I'm going to go underneath just because I got a better angle. Put my little stick right there and go tappity tap 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 tap. Okay, y'all can see if it goes. Let me know if it goes back in. Okay. So what'd you think? Yeah, it went back in there nicely. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the same Snap-on stick. I should have made it official here. Let's see here. There you go. I use my Snap-on stick. See, it's official now. And I'm going to use it to take and close this awning rail up a little bit. because it's got a pretty good gap. But what we don't want to do is go too far, because you may have to change this fabric someday. So if you do, you'll have to slide it in and out. So let's see here. Okay, that's I think it moved quite a bit. Oh yeah, yeah, that should be awesome now. The gentleman took that screw out and threw it away, so we're just gonna put a new screw in the rail, and I'm gonna put it in a, let me see how it fits in that hole. Oh yeah, it fit fine. I thought I was gonna have to make a new hole. Take my Velcro off, my straps. And there we are. We are done. Well, there you have it. Pretty easy peasy. And it shouldn't come back out there because I closed the rail up pretty good. So yeah, should be fine. So you know, won't y'all be fine? Get down in that comment section. Leave me a comment, a criticism, concern. Let me know how you would have fixed this. And how many of you guys will be running to your nearest Snap-on dealer looking for this stick. So yeah, y'all have a great day, and I will catch you on the next one.